Yan po magpunta ng reta, sabi na kami kaya matiyang o tatama na ng reta kami visit. Anyway, bakal po salamat something na nakakuha po kami ng panahon. So, tingnan na po pong speak at shaking English and not really, speaking about time. So, you just have to bear with me. So, disaster in behalf of the officers. Siguro po, gusto nila pa ang on behalf of the officers and members of the adopted of the school council, we would like to welcome you to our last of the class. This occasion was conceptualized 2 years ago when after a talk of uniting again, sharing those moments, these are our cherish a moment together our thoughts and bring back those sweet and not so sweet memories we had on the first reunion. In 2010, for our 33rd year. But we just can't get enough of each other. That's why we are here again. We are here again and we are having this reunion. The CCS 77 started as a class reunion, but now ang ating pong reunion ngayon is a socio-civic organization. Aliamo po reunion, nune gawasan niya po organization in which you will all be a member. So, sa pong socio-civic organization, kung ito sabihan, ating tamo po responsibility with each other and of course with organization. So, nakatamo po project ang may store for this coming year. Endorsed me in succeeding officer of our organization. So, nag-start ako po last April 15, may medical mission tamo, and then hopefully, kasi po manyawan din pong project in
Central.
Mr.
Yabut. Supervisor.
So, manyawan din pong project in kinatamong supervisor na nanupuhan ng biyatang project ka rin. So, yung muna tamo pong project agawang ka rin, mag-tree planting tamo. So, kaya po tree planting na rin, balang tanaman ay tanam tamo, di na tayo po naging kinatamong teacher. So, in behalf of the teacher, we will be planting 1 tree for every teacher. And aside from that, by next year, mag-sponsor tamo pong Teacher of the Year Award by the end of graduation, which will be sponsored by the class of 77. So, di na tayo pong ang pong di na tayo kita katas, kita po maging Teacher of the Year next year. Next year, that will be the class of 2013. Okay, so far, and then every year, magka-medical mission tamo. So, probably at least one. So, we had our last medical mission last April 15 in Paralaya. Probably we will be jumping from one barrio to another. So, that will be our commitment every year. So, isang po commitment tayo, iniyang po commitment ng organizing officers na may commitment na po ng kinatamang organization, which is the CCS 77. Okay, so we are already a civic group and that will aim to improve and help in any way we can to make a difference in someone else's life. We wish to continue this lifelong commitment. This is a lifelong commitment. We commit to our town, to our school, and to each other. And we have a lot of projects that we hope we can accomplish with your support and cooperation. So, alita mo po para po magsaya, para mamiyata kung dito, papagbayo, ibalen, eskwela, at katamang sarili. So again, welcome and let's enjoy each other. Thank you.